Today I'm going to show you how to make some at-home prints using markers and styrofoam, like the ones I have here. This is a fast project that ends up being pretty fun. So let's get started here. What I had to do first was actually dig through my garbage. I found some styrofoam. I had this egg container. I don't want to use these. This would actually be pretty good for some paint later, but I don't need this for this project. I took the top of the styrofoam and I cut out some rectangles here using the top lid. They are flat and it's perfect. The next thing I did was take a pencil and draw a design into my styrofoam. You want to draw hard enough so it pushes through the styrofoam, but not too hard that it goes all the way through, because then it'll just break. The design I chose was just a Pikachu because I think he's adorable and I've been drawing a lot of Pikachus lately, so that's what I'm going to use for today. And now I need to ink it. So to ink it, we're going to use markers. I found that Crayola markers work the best. I tried a Mr. Sketch, but it was too juicy. It got kind of everywhere. So Crayola, that's probably the best kind of marker. If you have something else, that's fine. Test it out and see what happens. I put this piece of paper behind my foam because I don't want to draw on my table. I'm going to take my marker using the side edge of my marker, not the tip. I'm going to color all around my print. I'm going to change markers because I want to see what it looks like with two colors. Now I'll color the edges. I colored the inside gray. I thought that might look pretty cool. Okay, I have color all around my foam and now I'm ready to print. I'm going to take a regular piece of paper. I've also done this on lined paper, so lined paper works just fine too. Piece of paper, and I'll need to get some water and a paper towel. You can use a sponge or anything that spreads water. Dip this in water and wipe my blank paper all around. I want it to just be damp. I don't want it dripping wet or too dry. Getting it wet helps pick up the marker ink. Okay, I think that's good. Take my paper, flip it over, and I'll rub all around my foam to pick up all of the ink. It's good to hold it with one of your hands because otherwise the paper will just move everywhere. Let's see what happens when I peel it up. I have this little Pikachu that's gray and purple colored. That looks really cool. That's pretty much all you need to do if you're making more than one, which is ideal because that's what prints are for making more than one. You'll want to re-ink your foam. So take your color again and recolor it all around. Take another piece of paper and do the exact same thing. Then you can make tons of multiples of your design. Okay, I think that is everything. Enjoy making art and have a great day.